Alright guys, so we're pulled over in a random parking lot because we're about to put on my new tiny wing. I'm gonna clean it off first. Yeah, she has one on her car and she had an extra one, so we're gonna put it on mine just for shits and giggles. Make it center.
No.
Yeah, it needs to be center. No, please do not put it on backwards.
Put it like that.
Put it on the roof, like a roof spoiler. Preciseness. Hit it accurately. Put on a tiny wing.
So interesting.
It actually looks kind of cool. Let me put my lights on. You can tell that they're on. Kind of. It's so cute. It's a little tiny wing. Oh my god. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm basically just going to be updating you what's happened with the Passat since I have been gone. I have posted 2 more videos, but I haven't shown you what I did off camera. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing in today's video. So I'm just going to start off in the interior. If you watched the video where I wrapped this giant piece with the carbon fiber, I took all that off. And I bought an actual piece. It looks much better. It keeps coming unstuck down here. You just gotta push it back in. But it looks so much better. And I also have these pieces put in. And the one over here. Can you focus on it? And then I have this one right here that goes over here. Only problem with it is the hole doesn't match up. So I have to recut the hole so I can put the little button in there. But I have that all taken apart as of right now. And I have the ones that go on back there, but they came bent, so I have to unbend them and try and fix them so that I can put them on there, but those will be going on. And I'm eventually going to be buying carbon fiber pieces that go here on the door handles and on the clock thing, and then on all the vents, and this piece right here. And then the interior is basically done for carbon fiber. And then the next big thing that I did do to the car off camera is I bought new headlights. These are completely aftermarket. They're all LED headlights. I don't know if you can see them in the light. I'll have to move it down to the darker part of the parking garage so you can actually see them. But they're fully LEDs. They're very bright. I still don't have the low beams hooked up because I couldn't figure out how. I need to do that. Now they all are also sequential, so that's another thing that I like. I want to get sequential taillights to match, but I really like these. Bought them off eBay because that's literally the only place I could find aftermarket headlights for the B7 Passat. And then I also have a front bumper on the car now, which eventually will get wrapped, but I didn't want to paint it because there's no use in painting it if it's just going to get wrapped anyway. And I finally have a front plate on again. And that's pretty much it for everything new with the car. I do have a couple other things planned to be doing with the car soon, but as of right now, that's really it. Alright, so I'm going to move the car down to the lower level of the parking garage so you guys can actually see the lights, and I'll throw you guys back on when I am down there. Alright guys, so we're at the lower level now of the parking garage so you can actually see the lights now. They're very bright. Let me turn the high beams on. And they're very bright. And then I can also show you what the hazards look like. I really like them. They're gonna look much better when the car is fully wrapped and it's not mismatched, and I get new fenders because my fenders are all sorts of messed up with the gapping. But yeah, that's really gonna be it for today's video. And one more thing that I did forget to mention is I did get a new exhaust set up on it. I cut right before the cat, so it is a little bit louder now. Especially in the parking garage. So I don't know how loud that comes across on camera, but it's pretty freaking loud. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm sorry for another short video. I'm going to have a lot more videos coming out pretty soon. But thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.